Good morning. We're at the Feldbahn Museum in Frankfurt. They're doing glühwein and cake here. Maybe some rides, we'll see. But it's a place to explore. There's going to be a lot of kids here a little bit. And here comes the train. All aboard. I really like this old one here. It's a bit rusted out, but it's cool looking. And you compare it to this nice shiny one behind it. This one's going. The water's dripping out. Nothing like a steam train. And what's in this tower? Water. This is a steam train. But also over here, another engine over here, and the coal to get it all loaded up. We got lots of different trains here. And the kids can get on them and run around. So it's everything in trains at this whole museum. It's not open very often, like one Saturday of the month. A little bit close up of this one. What a cute little engine. Wow. I could drive this. We're gonna go here into the museum part. To watch where I'm going because all these tracks here, I think all these little trains are gonna be going today. And back here is like a little workshop where they work on the engines. This is a pretty cool place. There are a lot of old men here, I will have to say. I shouldn't laugh. All the train fanatics are all here. So you're not allowed to get on the train, but look inside. Isn't that cool? With extra coal. That's one heck of a... is that for the steam to come out, I guess? Oh my goodness, a whole hall full of trains, full of engines. This is so cool. Man, if you got kids, you gotta come out here. This is fabulous. It's got that certain smell to it from the coal down here. What a fantastic museum. It's not even a museum. I don't know what to call it, but look at this. To ride on the tracks. I love it. With the oil can. This is another great big train. I love the whistle. Is that the cow catcher? Maybe. It's a nice big engine here. But they've asked you not to get on this one. Hope you enjoyed this short visit to the Feldbahn Museum here in Frankfurt. I think it's a fun place to come with your kids. It's a neat activity. It's wintertime, it's cold, but the kids here are having a ball. There's some of the machines you can climb on, but a lot of them you can't, but they can go for a ride. I think the ride lasted about at least a half an hour, blowing the whistle and everything. So I've posted a list of the dates the next time this is open, because it's not open very often, and the prices. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for sharing. Bye.